What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to share an idea with you, a topic. There's my intern at the back. I want to share with you an idea that I think some of you will look at it and be like, this idea is silly. But it's not really silly. It's just when you see an idea that is so easy, you're going to say, it can't be true. And I talked about this before, but if it worked for me and it worked out for these guys, and I'll show you examples now, and this is for housewives, this is for teens. And this idea is social media. Now, some of you that follow me on this already know that back when I was 18, 19, I started my own Facebook page where I grew the followings, and I turned that followings into a business by starting and launching my own clothing line. And I want to show you how you can do the same thing. I'm going to explain this for you before. It doesn't take any money, it doesn't take anything. Now, even my father would laugh at me back then if I had told him this, but then when he seen that I went to the bricks and mortar shop and established a stream of income, he came out and said, tell me more about it, right? So this idea, guys, is Instagram, first of all. And Instagram, guys, you know, it's better than Facebook because it's really simple, it's clean, it's all about post. And how do you get started? Well, first of all, you have to post pictures, right? Videos, whatever it is, motivational, and have it a category, right? For example, I'll show you now. We have an Instagram account here that started off by posting pictures, now it's charging people to post and share their pictures for a fee, right? And this Instagram isn't doing it correctly. This Instagram should be establishing a new product, developing a product where they can sell, and this will be appealing to the teens. This will be appealing to people who are in their early 20s, even 18, 19, and stay-home wives or housewives, or mothers, stay-home wives or stay-home mothers, right? Where you want to start selling something, you want to start doing something, but you don't know where to start. And social media is easy. This is easy to use, right? And I'll show you now. So let's get started. So here's an Instagram page, okay, where this page is simply posting pictures of girls, bikinis, and, you know, sun, beautiful, whatever, right? I just got out of that. And this page, what this page is doing, and I'll keep focusing, is it started selling its promos. So you see it, $2. So every person that wants to share something, a business, if you have a business that sells bikinis, you know, and you want to share something, then you just approach this Instagram page and you pay $2. This could be you charging $2, right? And it only has 20,000 followers or 19,000 followers, 300 posts. Right, most of these followers will probably be fake just to get the account started, and you can do the same thing. Now, from here, you can have a link here that, you know, a Shopify account where you post, for example, this is bikinis, or this is selling bikinis. You can have a Shopify account where you're selling bikinis yourself. If this page is about bikinis or fitness or proteins or cryptocurrencies, you can have a Shopify account here to sell cryptocurrency clothing, this and that. You have to grow your social followings first if you want to sell anything, right? It's so simple, and anybody can understand how to use Instagram. It's really simple. You just sign up just like you'd have Facebook. And let me show you now. By the way, the two hardest things and the two things that's going to cost you is hard work and persistent. That's it. Persistent. You have to post every day. The first month, 2 months, you're not going to see any growth. And then when you keep going and keep going, maybe even you'll get growth in a week. I don't know. But it all depends on what trend you're following. This is a girl's trend, and if you're following the cryptocurrency trend or whatever, then you're going to succeed in that. So here's my Facebook page that I keep telling you about, that I started while I was 18, when I was 18, not while I was 18. So here's a Facebook page that I set up, and you can see we have 37,000 followers, right? What did I do with this Facebook page? Well, it's still here. I don't have Facebook, so I deactivated it. It's been deactivated for a while. And simply, I was following the trend of business and lifestyle. I was a magazine, you know, I had a blog, and I called it a magazine. I had an official website for this, and I could have started selling stuff here. If it was toys, I would have sold toys. If it was laptops, I would have sold laptops. Whatever, bikinis, I would have sold bikinis. And back then it was a fitness page, but I changed it. I deleted it because the fitness industry was booming back then, and I said, hey, I'm following the trend, the new hottest trend. One of the videos Tay Lopez releases about following trends, and one of those trends was cryptocurrencies. that he was following himself, but he didn't say it, but I know it. And here I was following lifestyle, which is a trend. So keep following the hottest trend now. The trend now is cryptocurrency. Follow cryptocurrency. You like it or not, this is where the money is if you don't want to put any money in. So some of you will want to start an Amazon page, or you want to start, I don't know, a Shopify. You want to sell stuff. And you want to sell stuff online. How are you going to sell stuff when you don't have a social following? And most people will pay, you have to pay to get this information that I'm telling you. So I'm giving it to you here for free, right? So make sure you smash that subscribe, that like if you're new to this, and show your boy some love, because this is what you'll be paying for, right? If you've heard this before, let me know. And this is really, guys, this is the simplest thing you can do, is have something like this. Where you just post content. Now this is deactivated. I don't have Facebook, so I just activated it to kind of show you guys. So I'm going to deactivate it after this. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll have the username in the description also. I'll be posting some content there. So that's it, guys. I swear it is so simple, yet it is so effective. You want to sell on Amazon, you want to sell on Shopify, then this is it. This is where you start. It doesn't take any money. Build your way up. You see baby steps. You have your social followings, then you're ready to establish and launch a product. Once you launch that product, you've got the social followings there, you can start selling to them, right? It is so simple, yet these guys want to charge you for it, right? And I'm giving it to you for free, so don't take this for granted. If this was something that you paid for, you'd listen more. But because it's free, you think, wow, he's just, I don't know, I don't think so, right? This is the easiest thing to do. I'm here for you. I'll see you again for another, just like always. Peace and love, just like always.